Right, Greg the Wild Hippie back once again with you. The size of that. Big thank you to John Moore Scale Models. John Moore, the man himself. If you watch one of my old videos, the what's it called? The Horton 229, the ugly bird, the flying wing, German World War II. That was for a competition, and yeah, I won the star prize, and well, here it is. Yeah, it's a monster. Yes, a huge thank you to Zvezda Models for supplying the prize, and John Moore and everyone who participated. I'm blown away because I don't win things, so this is absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's not my usual thing, as watchers my channel will know. I mean, I like my armour, and like my aviation. Yeah, I prefer mainly. I do mainly sort of World War II stuff. So this is ultra modern for me. I mean, the design was started in 1994, going by the bump here. Let's have a look. So it's the Panzer S1 is a close-range cannon and missile defense system used by the Russian army. Design started in 1994. It was adopted by the military in 2010. Wow, that is modern. Panzer S1 air defense system was designed to provide air defense for civilian and military facilities, including long-range air defense systems, protecting them from all types of existing and future airborne weapon systems. The unit is equipped with two large 3D radar system with phased array antenna, auto cannon with rapid firing guns, and radio controlled missiles. That's pretty awesome. I'm loving the winter camouflage pattern. I'm going to paint it up like that. It's going to be a challenge because I've never really attempted like that, and also, as you know, I don't use an airbrush. I use hairy sticks. You can see there's my hairy sticks there. See, I'll get the right paints for this. Yeah, so it's obviously 1/35 scale, 677 parts. Wowzers! And it's going to be 35.5 centimeters long, which is, as always, I can never see a tape measure when I need one. But yeah, let's get into the box, shall we? Come on. If it wants to open, I opened it a minute ago. I've had a brief look. Right, 2 seconds. Let me just get the box open and get the parts out. Right, back with you now. Right, so here we go. For the top of the pile, we've got the decals. We've got some stick-on mirrors, which are pretty cool, and your clear parts. And there's a mesh there for making something. Yeah, pretty. Nothing to really shout about there. Nothing major. Destructions. We'll come back to them in a minute. There's a lot to do there, and the painting guide. Yeah, as I said, I really like the snow camouflage, so I'm going to go with that because that just looks cool. Yeah, I'll be tempted to paint my motorbike like that if I ever do bother to repaint it. There's paintwork on that's had it. Rubber tyres, real rubber tyres. I was not expecting that, so they're pretty cool. Right. Right, 2 seconds, let me get the bags open. Got to be careful when I'm bagging things because little bits like to make a bid for freedom. So pop that in the box. There, it's safe. So let's have a look. There's some beautiful details on this. Really nice moulding. I mean, I made a Zvezda kit. Let's put it up against the wall so you can actually see it. Yeah. I made a Zvezda kit a couple of years back as motorbike and sidecar. I no longer have the model. I gave it away to a friend. There's a video of it somewhere. Yeah, it's not got the most interesting thumbnail, but it's in there somewhere from about 2 years ago, somewhere in the back catalogue. Yeah, very nice plastic. This, some really nice details. Let me pop that down there. I need a bigger workbench. Yeah, there's your subframe. And the bit for the turret and everything. Again, yeah, absolutely zero flash. Can't even see any seam lines anywhere. Which is there's a little bit on that strut there, but minimal. Yeah, can't see any flash or anything. This absolutely beautifully moulded. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Someone's ringing me. What do you want, telephone? Right, better answer this, otherwise we'll be in trouble. Right, back we are. Missed the call. I'll be in trouble. Yeah, there's all the bits for the guns and everything. Again, very, very nice. Yeah, this is going to take me a good long while to make this. Yeah, it's not even halfway through all the bits yet. And that's what, 1, 2, 3 sprues, 4, and that's just the first bag. There's your ladders there for the back, sides of the guns, wheel hubs, suspension. That suspension's really nicely moulded. Yeah, cool. Right, we'll get the next one open. 1 sec. Alright, so I've got a lot of pipes and things on this one. The bottom of the gun turret thing, front bumper, that's really well moulded. That fuel tank. There's your engine. Yeah, a few other bits, but yeah, mainly engine parts and exhausts and stuff like that. Alright. Such a huge kit. I'm absolutely blown away. I still can't believe I won this. Yeah, nice nice moulding there on those bits. I think there might be radiators or something. Yeah. There's the main radiator on the engine with the fan on the front. Yeah. Very, very, very nice. Alright. Yeah. We've got the main parts of the chassis here, the under subframe, and all the, where the axles go and stuff. More linkages for steering by the look of it. That looks like a steering linkage. There's your drive shaft things, what they call the differentials. So I don't know much about vehicles. There's your drive shafts. Them. Yeah, look at that moulding on that. Wowzers. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. This is going to take me ages. More engine parts there by the look of it. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, it's going to take me a while. Right, get them put away, and then there's all the parts of the cab. So 1 second. Right, and then final sprue. This is obviously all the exterior parts for the cab. It's the steering wheel there. Wow, look at that moulding on the front panel there. And that's obviously your inside and the inside of the cab. Yeah. God, look at that. Probably can't see it, but yeah. There's your dash there. Very nice too. Right, put that back away, and then we'll have a look at the instructions. Alright, there's the instructions. Nice picture of it on the front. Yeah, I'm not sure what that word means in Russian, but something number 3. Which I was still in contact with my ex-girlfriend. A long time ago, I dated a Russian lady for about 5 years. Which I was still in touch with her because I could get her to translate some of this. I'm sure that basically says that, which is just a summary of what was written on the back of the box. But yeah, you can have it with the ladders down and the antenna with the radar up. That's probably how I'm going to do it, with all the things down, or you can have it so as it's in transit. Yeah, there's your sprue maps. Yeah, I've already seen all of them. Some sort of handy hints on how to do it. Tweezers, knives, etc. There we go. So yeah, engine first, and then cab, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Let's have a quick flick through. Like I said, there will be a build video of this coming, stage by stage. It looks quite straightforward, just a heck of a lot of parts and lots of pre-painting as well, which I enjoy. I really enjoy doing the pre-painting. Yeah, so it's probably going to take me 2 or 3 days to pre-paint everything before it even goes on. But yeah, so as see, got the cab and everything going on, starting to take shape. Oh, come here. There we go. Yeah. Pretty self-explanatory. Nothing major to write home about. Yeah, there's your turret, and then the radar dish thing, and there it is. Yeah, so cool. 1 second. Well, there it was, my anti-aircraft lorry thing from Zvezda. Again, huge thank you to John Moore and everyone who was involved in the competition. Yeah, so I'm going to quote John here, but change it slightly, as he always signs off with the same phrase. Yeah, go out and win yourself a kit, build it and enjoy it. And I'll speak to you soon. Take it easy. Ta-da.